Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to be here today to share a closer look and a little look inside each of these craft caddies I made for Valentine's Day. And I'm sorry it's taken me so long, but it got busy at the end of the week. So I followed a tutorial from Mummy and Me Crafts. I will link that down below. I made 3 all at the same time. They're really quite easy, although they look really complicated. And I kept mine really simple. I've just tipped them on the side so you can see I've just decorated the front of all of them basically the same, but just with a paper ruffle. I've used some tulle in this one, and then I picked like a big chipboard element for each one and then did a little bit. So there's 3 of them, and I am going to show you inside each one. But I'll tip them up like this, and we will start with this one. So I love this. I just picked like different color schemes. I've just shoved a whole lot of stuff, like they are chock full. And I will show you each one. Okay, so they have 2 little washi tapes in the front of each one. Little skinny Valentine's washi tapes. In one side we have a little envelope with the little vellum shaker, sequin shaker inside, and on the other side we have 2 little Polaroid frames. So they've got acetate, but you can use them, you can back them yourself, add some, what's it called, like foam tape, or just stick them on like a little embellishment. So there's just some little flat goodies in the pockets. I didn't put pockets on the back. And let's get started on what's inside. So I'm just going to start pulling it out. I put some of this really lovely soft yarn on these little cards. Then I made a little mix of pom-poms and little heart sequins, and so just decorated each of the packaging quite simple. I die cut some extra of the cute little felt envelopes I made, so I just made an extra set for each one of these. I popped a little pink tea in there. Just need to have a look to make sure we're in screen. Yes, I might actually zoom in a bit. Then what else? Oh, a little thing of sequins. And we've got some Valentine's twine. Put one of those little sequin envelopes that I made, so it's got like a sequin mix with a little flare in it. What else? I've got a library card. This one's got a little doodlebug library card. I don't know if it's doodlebug, I can't remember what it was. A little banner flag that I made last Valentine's. I popped some of these cute little envelope embellishments. A little paper clip with a stack. So these are a little vellum glassine heart, a couple of doilies, and a couple of foam hearts. There's a couple of straws. I made some little chip bag bags, and I've just popped little goodies in there. There's tickets, there's heart stickers, tickets, some little lips, a little embellishment, some pink, gold, and holographic heart stickers, a few of these little girls, a couple of faux flares, and a little lip brad. I'll just pop that on with a little pink paper clip. I've added some little sheets of the felt that you can use to make whatever you want. This one has some llama stickers. I printed out a couple of these cute Valentine love themed girls, and then there is each one has one of these envelopes with a little sample of Kiki K note papers, so all different love themed Valentine's papers. So there is that one, and I'm just gonna push them off to the side because otherwise I'll be here forever. And each one, I won't go through, like, I'll just go through them quite quickly. They all have one of those, the tea, the little pom-poms, they're little hearts, envelopes, a sequin mix, one of these little things, then this one has this cute little typewriter embellishment. Got a little flag. This one has the same sort of things as that other one did. This one's got these cute little flower and gemstones, little stack of the heart things. We've got the felt. This one's just got one. I don't know where its other one's gone. Some samples of the Kiki K paper, these, and this little ribbon sample. Just move that over there. Oh, and this one also has the same, so it's got some little frames that match the little envelope and a couple of washi tapes, Valentine's washies. Oh, pop that back in there. And then the last one, I love this pink one. It's bright pink, so it's got all the same things. The note paper, the cut apart things, these really cute little stickers, some rub-ons, the hearts, this little chip bag, the belt, some twine, some straws, some little heart stickers, another little sequin shaker mix, some pom-poms, some envelopes, some heart, lip stickers, twine, sequins, and this one also has some cute little washi tapes. This one has a little extra heart, oh, a little heart that's fallen off something, so I have to find its home. The little envelope embellishment, and some frames. So this is one of the Valentine's projects I made, and I had decided that as a little surprise I was going to give away one of these, of the choice of the winner, give one of these away to one of the lovely people who liked, commented, left a message, sent me a message, just interacted, I guess, with my Valentine's 14 Days of Valentine's posts. So I didn't give any rules. I've just picked someone to receive one of these. So that will be over on my Instagram, so make sure you go check that out. The link is down below to find out who won one of these. I hope you've enjoyed looking through these and got some inspiration, and I hope you followed along over on Instagram for my 14 Days of Valentine's. There actually was a few more because I kind of kept going and I couldn't stop. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.